wabarakatuh. My name is Pradipta Khairani and I would like to present my field study program. So firstly, the introduction. So the field study is a program under SBL 3742, which is field study. And the scope of study focus on the flood mitigation strategies and also the stormwater management. It also discovered the project of landscape architecture professionals for water resilient community purpose. So what is the aim? The aim of this program is to study the implementation of stormwater management design strategies for flood mitigation at Cipinang, Melayu Subdistricts, Makassar District, East Jakarta. There are three objectives in this program. Firstly is to identify the issues and the water-related problems at Cipinang, Melayu Subdistricts, and also to identify the solution and design strategies for flood mitigation at Picnic Park. And lastly is to discover the challenges and opportunities of green space in flood mitigation design to counterattack flood issues. The significance of this study is that it identifies the importance of natural design and also the implementation of stormwater management. And it also explains upon the planning and the methods that has been applied in order to solve the urban flood problems at Jakarta City. So where is the field study conducted and why did I choose it? So my selected site was located at East Jakarta, Makassar District, Cipinang Melayu Subdistrict, specifically at Picnic Park. So the park was originally a wetland and a community landfill which is located beside Buaran River. The park is built in 2017 and with approximately size of 1.4 hectares, and it was designed and constructed by Dinas Pertamanan dan Hutan Kota DKI Jakarta. So why did I choose this site? So Cipinang Melayu is an area which have moderate until extremely high frequency of flood from 2010 until 2020. And in every monsoonal season, the river will overflow and covering the park by flood. For the program, there are two main activities in this field study. Firstly is the field study observation and second is the interview. First, the field study observation allows students to identify the strategies and also the approaches to solve urban flooding. And also, student is able to observe the stormwater management, the drainage system, the selections of the vegetation, and also the design of the park. Second, for the interview, the student can know the site brief of the picnic park and also the issues at the site. For the method, the field study program is conducted directly for both field study observation and also interview. So firstly, for the field study observation, it actually needs an official letter from the government so that I can conduct a site visit because initially the park was closed. But I managed to get the official letter from Dinas Pertamanan dan Hutan DKI Jakarta, so I was able to conduct the field study observation. And second, for the interview, I was able to conduct it directly because the office was still open, it was not yet locked down, and I managed to interview the staff from Dinas Pertamanan dan Hutan DKI Jakarta. So as for the interviewee, it was the designer of Picnic Park, which is Mrs. Cindy Madayani. She is from the Strategy Division of Park Planning at Dinas Pertamanan dan Hutan DKI Jakarta. The field study program was conducted in 2 days. Firstly is the interview, which was conducted at 8th of December 2020, and second is the field study observation, which was conducted at 12th January 2021. So I managed to draw some sketches to illustrate the design of the park. Firstly is the pond, which have rigid designs. And second is the bioswales, which connects the natural retention pond towards Buaran River. This is the view of the walkway and also the playscape, which uses the existing slope. And this is the natural retention pond, which functions to filtrate the rainwater before it flows to Buaran River. And this is the picnic area. And this is the sketch of the office of Dinas Pertamanan dan Hutan Kota DKI Jakarta. Now, let's find out the findings of this field study program. Firstly, about the design concept. So the concept of the park is derived from picnic because the initial plan was to create a picnic area for the visitors. However, the design approach is to create a park that have a stormwater management system in order to solve the water-related problems at the area. Second, regarding the stormwater management system. So in this park, the aim is to cleanse the water through water infiltration and also purification. However, it might not have the most effective result because the water is heavily polluted. And also, the park functions as a water absorbance through the green spaces and also the vegetations such as the trees and the shrubs. Third, regarding the ecological aspect. So, the park emphasized natural designs. This is shown on how they increase the biodiversity through the riparian ecosystems, and also how the local vegetation attracts wildlife and insects. So all of the vegetations planted at the park are native plants and it is adaptive to floods. And also, the hydrological system functions to store the rainwater through the ponds and to slow down the water flow by plant filtrations and the curvy designs of the bioswale. For the outcome of this field study, students are exposed in managing a program, to conduct a site observations and also interview session with the professionals. And students can learn the on-site implementation of flood adaptive park, also for flood mitigation strategy. So the final findings shows on how natural approach and stormwater management system is crucial in applying the landscape projects which is related towards water problems. In conclusions, students have gained new knowledge and experience during field study. Throughout the field study program, the student is able to increase the networking and also the social skills. So that's all for my report. Thank you for watching.